Another way of folding up a bandsaw blade, rather than coming up high like the waiter, is to have the bandsaw blade down low at about your knee, and all you're going to do is twist it a couple of times and it's going to pop up into the coil. If you don't want to practice with a sharp blade, then rather than using the blade, just use an old V-belt. Same process again, have it down there, twist, twist again, and pick up the odd coil. And now they're nice and small to put up on the rack out of the way. Unfoiling the bandsaw blade can be quite tricky, so it's definitely a time for glasses, gloves and long sleeves. If I split the bandsaw blade, get the two outside loops, that was a good one, he just whipped up nicely. This also has opened up the correct way round, that the teeth on the downward pull of the blade, the teeth are correct for cutting. There's a 50-50 chance that actually it uncoils the wrong way. Let me just turn this inside out, and this can happen quite easily. Let me flip this over as well. The blade now, the teeth are upside down. That won't cut, that will just burn and rub through your timber. So do double check your teeth on the upside down, they're the correct way round. Let me just flip this round again, watch yourself. I'll just coil this one up one more time and I'll show you another way of uncoiling it. So down to the bottom, a twist and it'll pop up. Hold it and basically throw it. Either keeping hold of it or purely, not a big enough workshop, throwing it across the floor away from you. There's a lot less chance of it biting you on the way back in.